Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can favorite your fishes and how you can sell everything at once without selling your favorite fish. So go to items here and favorite on if you want to favorite the fish. For instance, I don't want to sell this Armor Catfish, so when this is on, I'm just going to select it and it's going to go into my favorites. You'll be able to see the favorited items here. As you can see, it will be starred. If you want to favorite, you can select the off one and favorite it again. Okay, I don't know why it's not working. There we go. Then to sell all, just go to the fish merchant and press Q and then press yes. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!